Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin and I'm so excited today because new to my channel is the girlfriend from AARP. And of course my gal Janie turned me on to this. I will link her channel below. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate all my loyal subscribers. And don't forget, I have my big holiday giveaway coming up. So the link for that giveaway will be below with all the rules that you need to follow. So it's just getting bigger and bigger by the day. So let's get into this. This is a quarterly subscription box and $50. I will also, when I put the link for this box, I will put the price that I paid for it as well, because you know, I always forget. So I am feeling so much better. So I'm so excited that I'm back to filming. So this is, again, by AARP. It's their Relax and Radiant crate. And they do have a, what do I say, on Facebook. They have a group on Facebook that you can join. So they've got the URL on here. And I went on it and just saw a couple things, but I have no idea what is in this box, but I can't wait to find out. So they have the Girlfriend magazine, and that must be what is in the box, so I don't want to cheat. And then there's the book. It says Burn After Writing, so it must be like a diary. And it's a cute little thing. You write down whatever. I'm really not into like journaling or anything. So I just write down like lists and things that I have to do. That's what I kind of use these books for. But my mom does love to do journaling, so I do bring her those books. The next thing, I don't know if they put prices in here or not. So we'll find out at the end. And look at this cute little snow cap. Really don't wear snow caps out here, but I do have a daughter-in-law that lives in Chicago that this would be adorable on. So I will put that in her little box I'm sending to her. And the next thing is Centered De-Stress Well-Being Ritual Balm. So I don't know, it's a balm, but I don't know if it goes on your hands or your lips. Oh. It just flew out of the package. See if I can open it. Oh, there you go. So that's what that looks like, and let's see if it has a smell. Oh, it does. It has like a lemony smell, so it probably goes on your lips, and it smelled good. And the next thing, look at these. I love getting socks. One thing is, it does get cold here at night. So behind me, I'm filming, and I have my fireplace here. So we do turn the fireplace on at night. It does get cold. And one thing that I love to wear are these warm and comfortable socks. So I love getting these. I know some people don't like getting socks in their subscription boxes, but I do love getting socks. And then we have this little itty bitty size of a dime, and it's eucalyptus and it's shea butter. So I'm thinking this is a lip. And you know, I can't get this open, but I'm thinking this is a lip balm. Let's see. Oh, this is a lip balm. And there's a little card. Mother Shea, the clean alternative to petroleum jelly-based moisturizers. Available at select locations, Target and Walmart. And I think it was supposed to be stuck to this card, and it unstuck in transit. So that's nice. Oh, now these I love. I don't know if you can see these. These are mittens, and they don't, you can have the fingers cut out, or it looks like you can unbutton this and cover the fingers. Can you see that? Did I explain that right? So you can, and these are great when we go either on the motorcycle or the side-by-sides in the desert. It does get cold, and these are great for doing that. But you can have it fingerless or put the cover on there. So these are awesome. Oh, I'm liking this box. And not quite sure what these things are. Wine glass charms. Oh, so you can put these on your wine glass. Aren't those cute? Look at the colors. So who's coming over for wine? And, oh, it's a project. Paint your own ornament kit. Okay, this is where Raina from Boxes and Deals comes in handy because she's so crafty. I guess I'll be sending this to her because I don't paint my own anything. Barely do my nails when I have to. So that is cute though. And here's the wine tumbler. I don't see how those little things are going to fit on the wine glass. But this is cute. It's got the little snowflakes. What a great box. And Relax and Radiate Crate. These look like they're coasters. I heard somebody honking. I wonder if Dennis is home. He went out golfing today. I thought I had the whole day to myself. Oh, look at these pretty coasters. Are they all the same? Yeah, they're all the same, but there's a lot of coasters. A lot of wine. Guys, they all have to come over for wine. There's still more in the box. Set of 12. I'll have to find 12 friends. Well, 11 friends, because there's me. And that's just a wrapping in the box. And then there's the refrigerator notepad. That's always nice to have. I do go through these quite a bit. And then this looks like a blanket. I don't want to open it in case I'm not going to use it. Maybe it goes with the hat. Let me find my magazine and see what this is. So hold on. All sorts of pictures in here. They showed all these cookies. I didn't see those in there. A little disappointed on the cookies. It does show you how to give you recipes how to make rum punch. So I do like that. No, so this doesn't have what's in the box. Bummer. Guess you'll have to go online. So I guess I'm gonna have to open this because I don't know what it is. So let's see what it is. Girlfriend, it is a blanket scarf. Oh, it's got like snowflake. Oh my god, this thing is like so soft. This is unbelievably soft. So it's got the little tassels at the end. And this is so soft. So this will be going to Chicago with a little cap, but this is really, really soft. Wow. And I think there's one more thing in here. This is a foldable vase. Have you ever heard of it? Oh my God. I have never heard of a foldable vase. Of course, I am the wrong person to test this out on. That's why sometimes I like to watch other unboxers open something first, because then I can see how they do it. Okay, so here it is. You see how thin it is? Do I have to fill it up? Do I have to blow it up? Do I pour the liquid in? So there's no directions. So I'm assuming you pour liquid in here and it unfolds. This is like the coolest thing. It looks like it goes with the coasters. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen, but I don't know how it works. Let me know if you get this box. You got this. So there is no booklet in here. So we got the unfoldable vase, and before I post the video, I'll see if I could take a picture of this. We got this beautiful soft scarf, the hat, the wine glass, the paper holder, and now that I put my vase away, where's my vase? It goes with the coasters. Socks, gloves, the lip balm, this other balm for your wine glasses, your make your own ornament, and this lovely book that you could write in and then burn. And I don't see anywhere in here, and this is like recipes, but I don't see if there's anything in here that shows what you got in the box. So what did you think of it? I thought it was definitely a great winter box. Again, this comes quarterly, so I'm gonna keep on getting it. Leave comments below. Let me know what you thought. Don't forget to enter that giveaway, and you guys have an awesome day.